This video, we will show you how to get WhatsApp group link. Maybe after you created the group on WhatsApp, okay, for the first times, you have the invite via link or QR code here, so you can generate the links. But the question is, how if your WhatsApp group is already all, okay? To generate the links, you can just click the title of your WhatsApp groups. Just click this and scroll down. After you scroll down, find the members, okay? Now you will have invite via link or QR code. Just click this. Then you can copy the link. This is the second method. Also, you can just create the share link here and send into available application that you want to share. Okay. Also, you can also creating a QR code here. Okay. So the people can join with this QR code. And that's all tutorial how to get WhatsApp group link. And hope this video helpful for you.